So now I'm going to add my 4 uprights and try and set this. I'm really only going a ½ an inch. I'll probably just use my wrench as a gap. So I have pretty much a stationary gap all across it. Doesn't have to be perfect, but I'll get my 4 pins. That's not a bad height. That'll work for me. Just want it a little off the ground, just for a little extra airflow, but it's not like the motherboard needs it a lot. Perfect. Now I got all my uprights. Next, I'm going to make my first level for my GPUs.